Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So today I am going to talk about the most famous bird of Amazon forest called Harpy bird. The Harpy bird is very strong. It lives in Amazon forest. It has big wings and strong caw. It is strong and powerful. It looks majestic in the sky. It has sharp eyes and strong caw. This is rare and beautiful. So it was all about the Harpy bird. Now save the Amazon forest and protect our future. If you found this video fruitful, so please subscribe my channel and like this video. I'll see you some other days. Till then, goodbye.